So I'm out here at the wonderful Margies Farm and Garden, and I'm first of all going to talk to Cathy here because, you know, it seems like you guys have Vintage Flea, the Vintage Flea now for some time, but it seems new though. But you're getting huge. It's getting so big now.
Right, I know. So what's happened? We started 4 years ago. It's actually our 5th year of our summer market out here at Margies Farm and Garden. We've gone from 20 booths the first year of a ragtag mix of our family and friends. Right. And so today we're at 65 booths of very professional vendors whom I should say are not related to us at all.
Not family or friends anymore, right?
Family,
just people.
They're friends.
To me, that seems like a huge leap from that amount of vendors the first 5 years ago, really, to now 65.
Yeah. And in our November market, we're up to 80 as well because Margie doesn't have her, plants in here.
Right. So it's even more space to do it.
Right.
And then, is there anything else besides just the amount of vendors happening new, different this year?
So we do have a couple new things. For one, we have ice cream, which everyone on our Facebook will know that I love ice cream. And so I'm very excited that the ice cream vendor will be here. We have just a lot of new vendors as well as our old trusty ones that have been coming. They're just a great eclectic mix of home decor. Of course, it's summer, so it's very gardeny, a lot of garden art.
And Cathy, you also have a wonderful assortment of vendors which come to this.
Yeah, from that 20 to 65, we have antiques and collectibles. We have handmade crafts. We have food, obviously.
Nice.
That's fantastic. We have artisans, and of course, this is the summer market, so it is really heavy garden, everything garden.
Right, lovely. Well, now I'm going to skip over here to Margie. How are you, Margie?
Hi, good, thank you.
So I'm going to assume that there might be some plant sales involved here, right?
We're really excited this year. We're going to do 20% off of all of our plants.
Wow.
That includes our hanging baskets, patio pots, perennials, and all of our garden art, empty pots and baskets, and ceramic pots.
My goodness. Well, I can tell you right now that if you've never been out to this wonderful event, you're missing something and something big. So as always, we'll invite you, go to gardentime.tv, we'll click over to their websites, find out when it's happening, how it's happening, and get on out here and enjoy the day. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you, William.
Thank you.